So, dito na tayo sa last part, which is yung group policy. So, una is dapat i-make sure na may mga picture yung bawat department. Halimbawa yung ACAD, Admin, PAT, BSD, and etc. And then, para sa pangalawa is itong creating GPO to enable and set wallpaper. Para gawin yun, punta tayo sa sa server manager, and then dito sa may feature, group policy management, click natin yon sa may forest, and then domain, sa may tupt.com, and then i-select natin yung department. Halimbawa, unahin natin yung academic department, and then dito sa may academic department, i-right click natin to, then create a GPO in this domain. Name it as ACAD wallpaper. And then, okay. After nun is, i-edit natin yung ACAD wallpaper, yung ginawa nating GPO. Wait natin mag-loading. And then, right-click natin yung, hindi. Dito sa may user configuration, sa may policies, administrative template, sa may desktop, and then desktop, makikita natin tong desktop wallpaper. Right-click natin to, edit, and then enable natin. Dito sa wallpaper name is kakopy lang natin yung path nung ACAD. So, ito, ACAD wallpaper image. Para magawa yon is click natin itong properties. And then, i-copy natin to. Copy, paste. And then, lagyan natin ng acad.png para makuha or ma-add dito yung wallpaper. After that, click apply and then okay. So, for the rest, gagawin din natin yon sa ibang mga departments. So, unahin muna natin yung sa administrative department. Isunod natin yung sa administrative department. Right-click, create a GPO, and then admin, wallpaper, enter, right-click, edit, wait for the window, user configuration, policies, administrative, dito sa may administrative template, desktop, and then enable natin yung wallpaper, and then paste, dagdag natin yung admin.png. So, ayun, after nun is punta na tayo sa mga sub-department ng academic departments. So, to do that is dito sa may BET program, right-click, create a GPO, BET wallpaper, enter, and then ito is edit natin sa may user configuration, policies, administrative template, desktop, and then itong desktop wallpaper, click nitong enable, paste yung path, and then yung bet.png na image. After nun, ayun, fast forward ko na lang, and So ayun, katatapos lang natin maglagay ng mga GPO sa bawat department para malagyan ng kanya-kanyang wallpaper yung kanya-kanyang department. So ngayon naman is pupunta tayo sa start, type gpedit.msc, and then after nun is punta sa user configuration, administrative template, control panel, then prohibit access to control panel, i-edit natin to. Oops, mali. Ito, right click, edit, and then disable, then apply, okay. So after nun, dito naman tayo sa adding on file system. So para gawin yan is back dito sa may server manager, sa may group policy management, and itong tupt.com is dito sa may GPO editor, GPO, so ito muna pala, hindi pa natin ito nagagawa. So para gawin yon is punta tayo sa server manager, features, and then itong tupt.com is gagawa natin ng policies. So una, gawa muna tayo ng GPO, name it natin as policies, and then edit natin. Edit, and then dito sa may policies ng user configuration, sa may administrative template, sa may all settings is i-disable natin yung mga following. So hanapin lang natin siya isa-isa. Una is yung prohibit access to the control panel. Ito is i-disable natin, click apply, and then okay. Next is prohibit access to registry. So prevent access to registry. To registry editing tools. Disabled. Click apply. Okay. Next is yung prevent access to drives. To drives from my computer. Disable. Click apply, and then okay. And last is yung prohibit access to the advanced settings. Prohibit access to the advanced settings. Disable, apply. Okay. So, pangalawa naman is i-edit natin yung computer configuration dito. Sa taas, punta tayo sa policies, administrative templates, and then all settings. Hanapin natin si disable Windows installer. Disable Windows installer. Ito. Click disable and then apply. Then, okay. So, yan. After naman nun is, punta tayo sa may policies ulit ng dito sa may tupt.com. And then, itong policies. And then, click natin edit, right click, edit. And then, punta tayo sa may computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, file system, and then, right click natin to, add file. Then, i-browse natin, pupunta ang computer, local disk, and then program files. And then, okay. After nun is, i-allow natin yung creator owner sa lahat ng full control. Samantalang yung administrator is i-deny natin sa lahat. Ganun din yung users. After nun is click apply and then click yes and then okay. And then okay. So after nun mag-add ulit tayo ng isa pa. And i-click na i-browse naman natin si local disk, Windows. Hanap natin si Windows. Click okay. And then i-allow natin ulit yung creator owner na yung system, ganun din, allow. Samantalang administrator is denied. And then yung users then is denied. Okay. Okay. So, ayun lang. Ayun lahat yung requirements sa finals ng OS and ito na nagtatapos ang aking video. Thank you for watching.